If you have membership with the streaming websites like Netflix, Hulu, or HBO, this is the video to watch because I am going to show you how you can make money while watching your favorite shows. Hello everyone, this is Danish, Assalamu alaikum, and welcome to my channel Affiliates Den. Before we get into the video, I would really appreciate if you can hit the subscription button and also hit the notification bell. I screwed that up anyways. And if you like to live the life of an entrepreneur, an online business owner, a person who has broken the shackles of 9 to 5. Did I say broken? There is no such word. I meant broken the shackles of 9 to 5. Then please click the first link in the description of this video. You will not regret it. Moving on. How can you make money watching shows on Netflix or Amazon or Hulu or was that it? Online HBO. Oh, I don't know what they call it, but you get the gist of it. How do you do that? Simple. By downloading this app called Wiggle. If you have tablet and a smartphone which you use to watch these shows, these streaming services, rather, to watch your favorite shows, then this is the app to download on your device, because if you use this device and use this app rather on your device, you will be making some good amount of money. Well, it's not exactly money, but you will be rewarded for watching shows, because what happens, let me show you how it works. The thing is, when you're watching a show on Netflix, all you gotta do is tap this app on your device. That's it. Then you get points, you get rewards, you get, to be specific, you get 1 Wiggle point per minute for watching a show while running this app in the background, plus bonuses. What kind of bonuses? Well, rewards basically. There's gift cards from Amazon and PayPal. You make, it's not exactly cash, but you make enough rewards to use these gift cards in online shopping. Now, it's as good as cash, trust me. People are buying stuff all the time from online stores, and instead of using your credit card, you can use these reward points provided by Wiggle. Now, how do you earn points? Let's check that out. Features. Okay, Wiggle has a variety of interactive games that allow you to fully engage with your favorite TV shows. Show your loyalty to your favorite TV series through check-in, streaks, and quests, and the sweepstakes and contests too, all while earning per points. See, it's basically pretty much what I just said. Real-time engagement. Okay. No, this is not what I was looking for. Yes, okay, this is the stuff. Okay, tap the app while watching TV or streaming shows on providers like Netflix, Amazon, and Hulu. Earn 1 point per minute plus bonuses. Now, bonuses can be, how do you earn those? You after watching the show or during the show, depends if you have paused it for a second, maybe then you will be asked trivial questions about the shows, and if you answer them correctly, you earn points. Or something similar. Engage with friends and play along experiences. Okay, I haven't tested that, so I don't know about that. Redeem perk points for real rewards and prices. Now, what kind of rewards are we looking at? Oh, there you are, points. Get rewards. Okay, redeem your perk points on Wiggle app for over 800 plus gift cards, options, prizes, or exchange your points for cash without our powerful prepaid debit card. Perk Plastic. Just download this. You watch TV all the time. You watch Netflix shows all the time. So download this, and make some side moolah, if you will, and have fun while watching. Make money. Electronic money. Yeah, that's what I like to call it. These gift cards. PayPal, Amazon. They're good as money. You buy stuff from Amazon. If you get a gift card for PayPal, you're going to use that. So do it. Alright? Now try it out. Like the video. Leave comments. And share your experience. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.